Hello guys, and welcome to the tech channel. I will come up with a better name for it. Today we are doing something very exciting. We are doing a game review. The game we're doing is called either M.A.R.S. or M.A.R.S. Good question. What exactly it is. And its little caption here is a ridiculous shooter. And we're going to find out it is pretty ridiculous. It is tricky. And it has good physics too, which is nice to see in a game. Anyway, so it has a bunch of options here. Start local game, start tutorial, start network game, join network game, options, about, quit M.A.R.S. So, I think you can probably guess what most of these do. Network games, like it says here, are not supported yet. M.A.R.S. gaming over the World Wide Web or a local area network is planned feature, but not implemented yet. So we don't quite have that. Let me go ahead and put this in full screen. There we are. So we don't quite have networking games, and that disables both of these features. The tutorial was minimally helpful. It had some helpful things, and it was tricky. And I'm not sure if that was just because it's a tricky game, or if it's just tricky because it wasn't well put together. I'm not certain. However, it did get me to a point where I could play the game. Options has a bunch of stuff: interface, graphics, audio, gameplay, player 2, 10 for tech. This would be your little thing. Your little profile, your little thing. It'd be your little profile that you set up originally when you start the game. About just has some license and credits and stuff. Talks about what they used and game for 2 players. Although I think you can use more. And then quit is obviously quit. So let's go ahead and start a local game. You can choose how many bots, so the left team and the right team. I'm on the... Wait. Okay, I'm not exactly sure what this is. It's kind of tricky to figure out, but there's all sorts of things. There's spaceball, deathmatch, team deathmatch, cannon keep, grave itation pit. Not sure what that is. I've only played spaceball. But it was pretty fun, so I'm just going to show you generally what goes on. So I'm over here on the right side of the screen, already sucking. So as you can see, the physics are really floaty, and you float toward the planet. Planets, I should say. The planets are the little round balls. There's 4 of them. So anyway, oh, ow. If you hit the planet, it hurts you. And you use the arrow key. Oh, jeez. You use the arrow keys. Ow, ow. To control yourself. And the reason why I'm not shooting yet is because I'm trying to control myself. But anyway, ow. Oh, and I just killed myself. Oh, that's just great. So now that I've killed myself, you respawn back at your little planet. I can show you how to shoot. So how you shoot is the right control. So let's see if I can destroy somebody here. Oop. Oh no, he destroyed himself. Anyway, so yeah, and there is team. Dang it, there is team kills. But otherwise, it's just like this physics-based space shooter. It's pretty cool. And it's really hard. Oh, I just destroyed him. Would you look at that? You got a pro right here. Anyway, that's enough of that. It's just, I really do want to end the current game. It's just a cool, shooter. Just looks cool, has great physics, extremely hard to master, and it's pretty fun, so check it out. I'll put the link to the game maybe in the description if there is a link. Not sure if there is, but if there is, I'll put it there. Otherwise, you just go to the Software Center and download it, and you buy